Hello guys. Welcome to Wise Investors. In this video, I will tell you how you can invest in mutual funds. First we will discuss some points like why you should compounding, invest in mutual funds, and things to consider before investing. So let's begin. Mutual fund investment may seem complicated for the first time investors, as it can be confusing at times. Let's discuss. Why should you invest in mutual funds? First point, low initial investment. You can have a diversified mutual fund portfolio by investing as low as 500 rupees a month. You also have the option to invest either as a lump sum or a systematic investment plan. Second point, professional fund management. In mutual funds, your money is managed by a professional fund manager who is backed by a team of researchers. The fund manager formulates the investment strategy for your asset allocation. He or she will have real-time access to the financial environment and adjusts your mutual fund portfolio accordingly. Now we'll discuss things to consider as a first-time investor. First thing, choose the right fund type. Experts typically recommend a balanced or debt fund for first-time investors as it comes with minimal risks while providing high returns. Second thing, shortlist and choose one mutual fund and go for SIPs instead of lump sum investments. Investing via systematic investment plans is advisable for those investing in equity instruments for the first time, while a lump sum investment can put you at the risk of catching a market peak. Now I'll tell you how to invest in mutual funds. You can invest in mutual funds in a paperless and hassle-free manner at cleartax. Follow these simple steps to start your investment journey right away. Step 1. Log on to cleartax Point-in and create an investment account. You will get the link in description. Step 2. Enter all the requested details. Step 3. Get your eKYC done. The whole process can be completed in 5 minutes. Step 4. Invest in the right mutual fund. It is highly recommended that you should consult with financial advisor before making any investment. Mutual fund is great option for investment. It involves low risk as compared to stock market. Start investing in mutual funds and create your wealth. Have a great day. See you soon.